cut these guys out. These parking brake brackets is what gouged into my drive shaft. Because they did that, we got to cut them out. So, got my cutoff wheel, got my safety glasses, got some gloves, and I'm going to cut both these out so that we don't have a repeat of that. The adapter flange. Second one in there. Moment of truth. It's tight. Boy, is it tight. No freaking way. Dude, this measurement is spot on. Spot on. Oil is there. One thing I learned when tightening down the U-joints is you're not trying to kill it with torque, because you'll smash these little bearings and you'll wear it out over time real fast. But alright, so I just want to give credit where credit is due. I got my drive shaft in. I'll be honest, I was stressing about this thing fitting in the car because it said I need, per the measurements, and the drive shaft shop definitely encouraged me to remeasure. And when I did, it said it needed to be 1/4 inch longer than the old drive shaft, just from switching out this U-joint. So 1/4 inch longer, and I'm thinking in my head, how can that be? It's a bigger yoke going on the pinion. If anything, I would think the bigger U-joint yoke would require a shorter drive shaft, but no, this was longer. Well, I measured like 5 times, sent the measurement off to the drive shaft shop. They told me there was a 9-week lead. They actually had it fabbed up and completed and actually shipped in 4 weeks. Got it And for the while, I kind of had it just leaning up in the back corner of the garage. And boy, I was stressing that, is that thing going to fit? You know, is it 1/4 inch longer? Did I measure right? Did I pull the measurements correctly? Did I read the tape measure right? Did I use just, you know, anyways. Just stressing over it, right? And now that I went to go install, as you saw, fit perfect. So I appreciate you guys watching the video. Like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next stage to fix the car and get it back to roadworthy.